Right te. Next question is asking, Beth ydy dy hobi di? Which means, what is your hobby, or what is your favourite hobby? Now, there are two possible ways you can answer this. Number one, for 1 point, you could just share what the hobby is yn Cymraeg. So, chwarae pêl-droed, playing football. Chwarae rugby, which is playing rugby. Darllen, which is to read. Nofio, which is to swim. Okay, there are lots and lots of different ways that you can answer this question, but there are some examples for you for 1 point. And for 2 points, you can put it in a nice sentence. You could say, fy hoff hobi I ydy chwarae pêl-droed. Or fy hoff hobi I ydy nofio. All right, give it a go.